First open OBS streaming tool. Now in the source section click the plus icon to add new source. Now click on VLC Video Source plugin. Now give a suitable name and press enter. Now click on the plus icon from playlist section. Now click on add path or URL. Now paste your desired M3U8 URL. Now press enter and you are good to go. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.